How to reset Facebook home feed. First of all, open Facebook. Once Facebook is open, tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on this option Settings and Privacy. Tap on the option Settings. Now you'll be able to access the settings. Under the section for Preferences, find this option for Content Preferences and tap on it. Now you'll be able to access the content preferences, adjust the settings for political content, sensitive content. Tap on the option political content. If you want to be suggested political content, toggle on this button. If you do not want to be suggested political content, toggle off this button. Likewise, do the same for the sensitive content. Tap on the option sensitive content. You can set it to default or show less. Tap on the option save. Now to some extent your home feed will be reset. Likewise, what you can do is go back. Now tap on the search icon that you can see at top. Now tap on the option see all right next to the option for recent. Tap on the option clear all that you can see at top. Now tap on the option clear all again. Now once the search history has been cleared, your home feed can be reset. Likewise, you can go back. Now in the home feed, what you can do is simply scroll down. Find the post that you would not like to be interested in. Right above that post, tap on the three dots. Now tap on this option not interested. Now this kind of post will not be suggested. Now refresh the feed. Now your home feed will be reset. Like this, you'll be able to reset the home feed. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.